What's up everybody, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and as you can see behind me, we are out here at a dealership and it is brisk. Alpine GMC sent us 2 trucks to go up on what we call the budget boost. So they picked up 2 of these trucks at auction, decided to give them a little bit of stance, so I'm going to show you what all we did over at SoCo Customs. So as you can see, we sent this up on the 2.5-inch rough country level. The nice thing about Rams is you can really fit a whole lot of tire underneath minimal lift. So we did manage to get a 33/1250 underneath. These are the Kenda Klever RTs, which are one of our favorite tires out here. And plenty of room to spare, really didn't have to do any trimming. And then we put on the Black Rhino Glamis wheels. These are a 17x9 and they're 0 offset, so they're going to give you just a little bit of poke outside the fender well. As you can see, this kit brings these trucks nice and level. I definitely love the black on black. That's a very popular look right now. And as you can see, these are the Ram 1500 Classic, so the old body style but still have the 2019 moniker on them. Alright guys, here's the second build. I didn't get a chance to film it on Friday night, so you'll notice that, hey, it's light out today, cool lighting. Alright, well, so this is another 2019 Ram Classic that I think they picked up at auction. And yeah, like I said, with those Classic editions, they've already changed over to the new year, just haven't started building the new year trucks yet. So as you recall, this is the old body style. It's still got a 2019 moniker on it, but it is basically built like the 2018s, and they just hadn't started building the new 2019s that you're also familiar with. But we did also send this one up on the 2.5-inch leveling kit. Well, let me flip this around for you. Now we will wait for this to adjust, but these are the level 8 slam wheels. So you can see that there's very minimal lip. It is a 17x9, so you're not going to get much lip anyways, but it is a 0 offset. Pokes us just a little bit outside of the fenders. But yeah, it looks like a lot more of a positive offset wheel, and I think they do a lot with this mounting surface in here to make sure that you don't get too much concave. This truck is still available for purchase down here at Alpine GMC South, down here in Colorado Springs. You can see we're right off the highway over there, but come on down, make them an offer. It sounds like the other one that we filmed on Friday has already been sold, so they go quick. We're looking forward to doing a lot more builds with these guys down here. So as you can see behind me, that is the 2019 Classic Ram SLT that we put the leveling kit on. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and if you're curious about this truck, come on down here to Alpine GMC.